Hey guys, MD here. Today, I've got a craving for pasta, but me and my wife are doing a keto thing and we can't have it. So we're gonna use spaghetti squash and we're gonna make spaghetti squash chicken Alfredo. Let me show you how we do it. All right, so the first step for preparing our spaghetti squash is we're just gonna cut these ends off. I know this is a little unorthodox to what you guys are traditionally used to seeing, but this is what works for us. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this into about 1-inch rings. This is going to make taking the guts out extremely easy, and it's also going to make it really easy to get longer strands out of this as opposed to getting the short little ones that you get when you cut it long ways. Just like that. Simple. All right, now to get these guts out, this is so easy. You just run your spoon just along the edges like this. And that's done. See how easy that was? Now we'll do that to the rest of these. Alright, now we're just going to go ahead and set these on our baking pan. Sprinkle this with a little bit of olive oil on each side. Make sure we rub that in good. Coat it nice. And then we're going to put a little salt and pepper on each one. Alright, flip it over to the other side. Alright, now we're going to bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 35 minutes. Alright, since we're doing chicken Alfredo, for keto you want a high fat content, so we're using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And the dark meat's got a lot of fat to it, and we want that because it's going to help our body burn fat. So I'm going to cut these up into like 1/2-inch cubes, real small, just so nothing too big for our bites. Alright, to season this, we're just going to use a little bit of garlic powder on our chicken. Just toss that around really well. And we're also going to use some black pepper on this. Get those nice and coated. Now we'll fry this up. Cooking this on our cast iron skillet today. We're going to add some olive oil into here. Just go ahead and add our chicken in here. Man, that garlic smells amazing frying up with that olive oil. Alright, we're halfway done, so we're going to go ahead and flip these over. We're going to cook these in. Alright, back in for another 15 minutes. Alright, for our Alfredo sauce, I'm just going with store-bought, just simply because it's going to be easy and it's really low in carbs too, as you can see right there. It's only got 2 grams per serving, so it's not too bad. That's 1/4 a cup is a serving, so I can deal with that. Just let those cool down. What do you want? You want dinner? Do you want dinner too? Alright, well, I guess it's her dinner time too, guys.
Hold on, let me get in your bowl first. Jeez. There you go.
Try to chew it this time. Alright, these are cool to the touch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and start shredding these now. Look at that. You guys can see, look at that. All you have to do when you do it this way is basically pull the skin away. And you've got your pasta or your spaghetti squash. The strands will be perfect. So here we go. Just like that. Kind of break it up. Look at that, guys. You don't get any of those short strands this way. They're all long. Really nice. Topping this with some mozzarella, some provolone, and some parmesan. Should be good. Alright guys, I don't know about you, but I am dying to give this a try. This looks so good. I tasted a few of the spaghetti squash noodles. It does not taste like spaghetti, trust me. But it does. It tastes like a sautéed zucchini. If that makes any sense. I mean, it's really good. I enjoy it. So let's see how it goes with the Alfredo sauce and the chicken. Ooh, that's a big bite. But all right, here we go. Round one. That is really good. It's almost like an al dente pasta. It's got a crunch to it, but still very soft. It's not undercooked by any means. That is so good. Oh man. I'm telling you what, if you were to get liquored up enough, you could think this was pasta. But it's definitely not, but it's still really good. It's its own thing. That is fantastic. Guys, you've got to try this. If you're looking to cut carbs, this is a great substitute for noodles. Oh, man, this works. I like it. Very, very good. Well, if you liked the video, guys, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. You'll find more content just like this. And I really appreciate it if you put a comment down below. Let me know what your low-carb recipes are, your go-to type meals for low-carb, because I'm looking to expand. We're doing really well on this low-carb stuff. I've been on it a week, and I've lost 7 pounds. So we're hitting our, this is working really well. Plus, I get to eat delicious food, not just eating salad, man. This is good stuff. So, man, you guys got to give this stuff a try. It's awesome. As always, get your families outdoors, and I'll catch you next time. Let's go for this again. Oh, yeah.